Today I'm cooking a very simple, crispy and runny sunny side up egg. In Thailand, this type of fried egg is commonly served with chicken basil leaf. And in Malaysia, the egg goes well with nasi lemak. I sometimes have it with rice as the main dish too. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. The ingredients needed are 7 eggs and 100 grams of cooking oil. The full list of ingredients is in the see more link. Switch on the heat. Put in all the cooking oil. Set the time for 5 minutes for the oil to get hot. Crack the eggs into a bowl. I like to do this to ensure the egg is fresh so it won't contaminate the oil or the other eggs if it is bad. This egg is really fresh and the yolk is bright orange too. Crack one more into the other bowl. Alright, this egg is also fresh. I will crack 2 eggs at a time so I won't have to use too many bowls. After 5 minutes, the oil is really hot and ready. Put the egg in the oil. Use a long-handled spoon or spatula to push the egg yolk into the center of the egg white. Use the spatula to scoop some hot oil and place it over the top of the egg. This makes it cook faster. Egg white cooks really fast, so the bottom part should be pretty crispy within 1 minute. Once all the egg white is cooked, remove the egg from hot oil before the yolk is cooked. Rest it on the strainer to drift off some excess oil. Continue with the second egg. Put the egg in the hot oil. Guide the egg yolk to the center of egg white. Fry it for about 1 minute. As the oil is really hot, the bottom of the egg white is crispy. Once the top surface of the egg white is cooked, remove the egg from the oil before the yolk is cooked. Rest it on the strainer. Continue with the rest of all the eggs until complete. While waiting for the egg to cook, crack more eggs. Once the excess oil has dripped off, put the egg on the serving plate. Continue to fry more eggs. Alright, place the last egg on the serving plate. A simple crispy sunny side up egg is ready to be served. An egg like this with hot rice and fish sauce is good enough for a simple meal. Let's eat! Wow, so good! Tasty runny egg yolk on the rice with crispy texture from the egg white and fragrance and flavor from the fish sauce. It's delicious. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed this video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!